Hi, my name is Brandon Weiner, wildlife expert. I'm getting ready to toss these 5 smooth stones into that tree, which is full of birds, allegedly. So on the count of 3, we're gonna see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Listen to that. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at all of them. Oh my god. They all went to the other one. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at all of them. Now let's go to the other tree and throw rocks in it. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. That is unreal what you just did.
Yeah, I knew when I threw the first ones that there were more.
You ruffled some feathers?
Yeah. Ruffled some feathers. I knew there were more than we thought.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
But I didn't really throw them.
What is going on? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't mess with Mother Nature.